Yo, what is going on, guys? It's T here, and today we're going to be taking a look at TinyTen, a modified copy of Windows 10 LTSC 64-bit, which is already a pretty darn light operating system, but this operating system compresses even that for just around 3 gigs. So in this video, we're going to review it. Now, I have just quickly fired up a VM with pretty low specs. Here's a snapshot of the specs, just in case if you're curious. Now you just select English India, hit next, and now you just want to hit install now. Then you just skip the product key part, and as you can see, I have a 7 gig partition. And we'll hit next. Copying Windows files, done.
A few moments later.
Now as you can see, we are in the system out-of-the-box experience setup. So we're going to set the region to USA, and we're going to hit yes. Now we're just going to set the right keyboard layout. Hit yes, skip it. And oh yeah man, this skips all the exclusive Cortana, OneDrive, and Microsoft accounts. And the skip button for all of that is over there. And bam! Now we can create a local account. So I'm just gonna name this as Trigger Boy. Trigger Boy. Yeah, there's even a button for, or even better, use an online account. So yeah, we're not gonna create a password, and we're gonna just hit next. And oh my gosh, just like that, just that quick, we're into the privacy settings. But we're gonna prevent Microsoft from spying on us by disabling all the options. And we'll now just hit accept. Now we can just press Ctrl Alt and Delete, and then hit cancel. And now a bat file script is running, which I guess is just to remove even more bloat. So once this process is complete, I will customize it and give it a short review of this operating system. So alright guys, as you can see, I successfully customized the VM, so it's time to review the operating system. So first off, let's take a look at how much resources, aka your hardware, this operating system uses. So let's start off with the storage. And as you can see, it's just about 4 gigs, which is pretty light. So now let's go to the task manager, and the CPU is just in 6% or 3% utilization. The RAM in use is 690 megabytes, which is not even a gigabyte, which is kind of looking crazy to me. And disk utilization is 0%. Would you believe that? So let's start off with pros. The OS is extremely lightweight, consumes really a low amount of resources in your PC, and has removed a couple of unwanted stuff in the system out of the box experience setup. And now the cons. It misses out on Windows' a lot of great features like Windows Search, for example. You can open up the settings tab only through the start menu, and if you want to quickly change your resolution desktop, you just right click on your desktop and go into display settings, right? Well, here, if you do that, we're greeted with this error. And the audio driver doesn't work here in VMware, which doesn't mean it's not gonna function on any device, but I'm just saying there is no wide range of driver compatibility. And I understand that sacrifices have to be made to consume that much less storage space on the hard drive. But for the users who are looking out for a clean Windows install with essential features that everybody uses, I highly recommend downloading the Windows 10 LTSC operating system itself. And this operating system is also a modified version of Windows 10 LTSC. You also get a 90-day free trial along with Windows 10 LTSC if you download it off of the Microsoft Evaluation Center. Links for both TinyTen and Windows 10 LTSC will be in the description box below. And also, if you want a full dedicated video on Windows 10 LTSC, smash a comment down below and subscribe to my channel with post notifications set to all so you'll not miss it. So alright guys, that's all for today's video, so hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, I just want to hit that like button for more like this, and set that post notifications to all so you'll never miss out on any single piece of content that I upload. And also smash a comment down below if you have any queries or any ideas for future uploading videos. Thanks for watching, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Goodbye.